Okay. So Navneet, I'd like to break up this question to talk about key ingredients. And I think I'm a firm believer of this. In fact, yesterday also I was speaking to some people on the similar lines. I think key ingredients or my three success mantra for any organization is people, process and potential. And I can list it very clearly. Till the time you don't have the right set of people doing the right set of work, you don't get your work right. Okay, so first and foremost it is aligning the right set of people at the right task. Second thing for me is process. While we all in India follow a chalta hai culture, right? So I think it is a time to relook into the processes that we already have. Do we need all of it? Do we need to rework on the processes, refine some of the processes, redo some of it? So that is very essential. So I think there's one mindset which I follow and which I firmly believe in, that we need to come out of the chalta hai mindset and rework into things which are already existing and not required, and probably which are required and needs to be refined. So that is my second ingredient. Coming on to the third one, which is very essential, is potential. So we all know in our arena of work, there is always a headroom, right? So there's this book called The Blue Ocean Strategy, right? So you need to understand the dark blue ocean area. You need to understand the headroom, identify what can be done about it, and how we can penetrate into that. So once you've mapped all these three, I think that is my biggest key changer for any organization. And coming into how do I strategize? Well, there's this Kydlin's law which says that once you write a problem, you solve it 50%, right? So I think listing down the exact problem, because we have a tendency of overreacting over things. Generally we get bogged down about things, about a certain way or a certain process. So once we list it down that this is exactly what we need, and the way we start making a roadmap around it, so we are very clearly communicating what is required out of a particular task. I think that makes the biggest strategy for me.
If we talk across all sectors, according to you, what are those sectors we are going to see surge in the startups in coming years?
Well, for the startups, I would say, and as the market trend, as the dynamics are moving towards, is something which has already been existing since 1950s and we've all started reliving it, is AI. Everyone is talking about AI. So it's, I think, a no-brainer for me. Something that's gonna catch up attention, something that everyone is trying to work upon is AI. But again, it's a big, vast ocean out there. You need to understand what exactly in AI. Right? AI is a very big domain, but what exactly in AI and how to tap that market? I think that is one take for me. Something, the second sector, which is very close to my heart and which probably even I try doing my bits and pieces into it, is sustainability. Now again, sustainability, when I talk about, is a very vast, open door out there. But then again, tapping into what exactly sustainability. To start with, start your houses getting it solar powered, right? That is the smallest of contribution we can give to the Mother Earth. Since I'm into mobility and IT domain, so there's something which probably everyone wants to work on, or people are working in a very deorganized or bits and pieces kind of a thing. So probably scaling up recycle, scaling up refurb market is something that I think is the next game changer in next 2 years.
Thank you so much, ma'am.